Jersey number 14, pass to jersey number 9, back to jersey number 14, to jersey number 8, goes in the button there, the shoot, that's number 2. Score 31-13. Mula sa Limolo, Malabangan, ang Barangay Chao, jersey number 12. At nakalilingan naman sa jersey number 27, baseline jumper is good. Tingin ang bola, nahoy jersey number 9. Jersey number 14 is it up, that's number 2. Score 13-13. Weekly point lead. Jersey number 6 against jersey number 9. 1-second shot clock. Jersey number 12. 8-second shot clock. Jersey number 6. There's a piece of foul committing jersey number 13. That is first foul, first team foul. 14-second shot clock, 14 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 12, pass to jersey number 6. Looking for the screen, back to jersey number 12. Has to take goal. 6-second shot clock. Nice defense, para sa Barangay Chao. 9 minutes exactly to play. Jersey number 9, pass to jersey number 13, half the goal. Now pass to jersey number 8. Yes, number 2. 35-13. 82-point lead. 6-0 run. Jersey number 6, jersey number 12. 12-second shot clock. 10-second shot clock to jersey number 9. 6-second shot clock. Pass to jersey number 6, has to take goal. Say pass to jersey number 21. Good ball. Jersey number 13, offset goal. Jersey number 6. Pass to jersey number 12. Van Play takes it up. And jersey number 12. Score 35-15. Jersey number 9. Down, here's the 57 shot up, looking for the big, coming back for 3, it's so good. It was jersey number 27, there's a piece of ball between jersey number 13. Substitution, and his first foul, second team foul. Time remaining 8 minutes and 6 seconds to play. Jersey number 12, pass to jersey number 21, back to jersey number 12, 8-second shot clock, back to jersey number 21, jersey number 8, now on jersey number 13 to jersey number 3, takes it up, offensive defense by jersey number 3, number 2. Jersey number 6, back to number 12, corner pass to jersey number 28, number 28, baseline jumper is good for 2. 27-18. 19-point lead. Para sa Barangay Chao, jersey number 9, pass to jersey number 13. 15-second shot clock. Jersey number 8, step goal, 8 seconds, good for 2. Officer score 39-17. Jersey number 12, pass to jersey number 6, Bandas. To jersey number 3, it's a pass. To jersey number 28, makes it up, makes it for 2. Time remaining exactly 7 minutes to play. Score 39-19. Jersey number 9, jersey number 13, long 2. Yes, good for 2. Jersey number 12, pass to jersey number 31, corner pass to jersey number 28, 12-second shot up, running shot is good for 2.